my ego is top tier. I'm gonna win, then I'm gonna win again. When I hit, you really gonna feel it, man.
Oh, yo! Take money! Oh, yo! Take money! Ladies and gentlemen, introducing Take Money! Oh, yo!
Body shots take a toll in the later rounds. Kuda strikes his stand as well. To Take Money, I think the focus is on Nunes' left eye. And you can see Nunes is surviving on experience. There we are. And she goes down again. Nunes goes down for the second time in the first round.
By unanimous decision, and still the World Boxing Council Super Bantamweight Interim Champion of the World, Kudakwashe, Take Money, Chiwandire!